Hey everyone! Today I've discovered a brand new AI niche that's going to revolutionize video creation. I was able to make a cooking video using AI without ever cooking or filming anything myself. Let's watch a quick sample of the video I created.
I remember the warm, sunlit afternoons in my grandmother's kitchen, where the scent of fresh vanilla and sugar filled the air. Her hands, gentle yet skilled, would guide mine as we measured flour with an old metal cup. It felt like we were creating magic, not just cake. The sound of the whisk moving in rhythm with her humming is still the sweetest melody I know. We'd crack eggs, laughing as one always seemed to slip out of my hand. The butter, soft and golden, would melt into the mixture like the setting sun. I watched in awe as she poured the milk slowly, transforming the ingredients into a smooth, creamy batter. It felt like art, simple, pure, and full of love.
As you can see, the video looks totally realistic. But you can even turn this video into an animation. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do both. So stick with me until the end, and let's get started. First, you need a recipe. You can easily find one online, but I've got a better way. Go to ChatGPT and ask it for a script of a cake recipe. Just like that, you've got a script. Now, ask ChatGPT again to give you prompts for each scene of your video. Simple, right? Now, you can create videos for all your scenes. Before we move on to the next step, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Now, let's head over to Vidu.studio. This AI creates amazing videos, and writing prompts for it is super easy. I highly recommend getting one of their subscription plans to access the paid version. It gives you better quality and allows you to make more videos, plus you get a bunch of cool features. First, go to the Vidu.studio website. I've put the link in the description for you to use. Click on Text to Video, paste the prompt from ChatGPT, and hit Create. Wait a moment while your video gets ready. Then add the prompts for each scene one by one and create each scene's video. Next, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to tell a story about baking a cake. Now we'll head to 11 Labs. Paste the story there and go to the Voices section, then the Library. You'll find different voices here. Choose Narrative and Story, then select Most Users. After that, pick your preferred language and accent. You can also choose the category, Gender and Age, then go to My Voices in the Community section to select the voice you like and generate the audio. You can even add background music. Finally, bring everything into CapCut. Here's the sample cooking animation.
I remember the warm, sunlit afternoons in my grandmother's kitchen, where the scent of fresh vanilla and sugar filled the air. Her hands, gentle yet skilled, would guide mine as we measured flour with an old metal cup. It felt like we were creating magic, not just cake. The sound of the whisk moving in rhythm with her humming is still the sweetest melody I know. We'd crack eggs, laughing as one always seemed to slip out of my hand. The butter, soft and golden, would melt into the mixture like the setting sun. I watched in awe as she poured the milk slowly, transforming the ingredients into a smooth, creamy batter. It felt like art, simple, pure, and full of love. Her smile, the warmth of the kitchen, and the promise of something sweet were the heart of those moments. And when the cake was finally baked, golden and fragrant, it wasn't just dessert, it was a piece of our memories.
As you saw, it turned out really cool. I loved it. Now let's dive into the animation tutorial. But before we do, if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit the like button. All right, to make the animation, we'll use the same script and transcription we got from ChatGPT. Head back to Voodoo.studio and repeat the earlier steps, but this time select Animation from the General tab. Now, create each scene one by one. In the next step, import everything into CapCut. Here you can add transitions and effects to complete the video. And that's it. You can use this method to create all kinds of food videos without using any ingredients. You can even use your own voice to narrate the recipe. The possibilities are endless. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. I read and reply to all of them. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can take advantage of AI too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!